Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is now. Done back in the lobby now. Yeah, man. Back with another one today, guys. That's what we're doing it. We're there with family, Sparta, my life. Check it out and see what I got to deal with. Apparently, this one is a banger. A little bit different, a little bit creative. Let's see what I'm going to deal with. You know what I'm saying, gang? I already know what time it is, man, before you even jump into this shit. You see me? Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. But yeah, man, we're going to jump into it and see what the Sparta boss I deal with. Also, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, guys. We're almost at 10K subs. Yeah, I already know. Shout out to y'all. Y'all been going crazy. We're almost at 10K subs. Also, make sure you hit the hype button, guys. To help push out my videos, you gotta hit the like and comment, but you gotta hit the hype button. Make sure you hype up the video. Help my video go viral, guys. You already know what time it is, man. Let's jump right in the track. Family, Sparta, my life. Let's get it. Bro, if you know if you survive in the street, if you just do it, you see me? I say no joke, that's if you just do it, gang. Let's get it.
Me live my life just like me want it. Protect it in me all because me want it. Nah, make them take me life away. No.
That's man, you can't make them take with 3 pints, gang. We can't make them take with 3 pints. Life's so pressure on me. No, so we can't do it. Come on.
It's like me passing my fiance. I've seen all the place me turn the target. Nah, make them take me life away.
None tall.
Be the voice and not the slum cars. A lot of youth know I've no choice to hold them program. Them not really care for we a lot of mouth. And know I really how them future done for. See
Dog say, man, the voice of the slums. You say a voice of the slums can't know for you, then no choice, People just come and want to care about you, Alright, family, Sparta, about talk to them, man.
Travel from the government with a lot of hopes. Couple things we in need that I move slow.
Yeah.
Youths investing on yourself and make yourself grow.
Yes.
But this song will throw you down in a quick speed.
Yes, man, that's a fact, man. You gotta have hope, guys. You gotta have hope. You can't give up. You have to have hope and faith in the Father. You see me in God. You see me and say, and don't give up, man. You have to, we make a better way, you know? Yes, man.
Me live my life just like me want it. Protect it in me all because me want it. Nah,
Man, say live my life, cause live my life for me want it. You see me? One life you have to live, you know. You can't worry about what people think, you know. You see me? What am I gonna say, you know? You have to live a life where you want it. You see me? Set life where you want the thing. But family, how I go on as a dog? You gotta tell them easy with the Beijing, you know. You gotta tell them easy.
me live my life just like me want it.
Like, be a black spirit, family. How I go on as a
Protect it in me all because me want it. Nah,
Be tough.
make them take me life away. No.
Hey, shit. I'm not one to talk, gang. You see me? If I had big like blood, cleat, breadfruit. Don't it? Let's get it.
It's like me passing my fiance.
Yeah.
I've seen all the place me turn the target. Nah, make
Hold on there, dog. Handicap. Wait, hold on there. Oh, go there, so.
them take me life away.
Oh, go there, so.
Well,
Andy.
I with the youth and hear him thoughts out.
Oh, Andy, they got dog. Andy, they got drop him blood cleaner. Hold on there. Oh, that can walk, so that handicap. Oh, that
It's like me passing my fiance.
Oh, that can walk, so handicap. Let him pussy, lad. No, yeah, scissors and I can cut up weed too, you know. Look how Andy step
I
out.
say all the place me turn the
Yeah, Andy.
target. Nah, make them take me.
Andy a bad boy. Andy a bad boy, Hey, but Andy a fling 7 the top boy. You know, put 2, 3 in your chest. Don't play with Andy, you know. And you got the scissors for him to. Hey.
Life away. Well,
Andy that I want it. Which one?
I reason with the youth and hear him thoughts out. Him say, "Come me no know what make me born now." Don't make us me every day, so me a walk out. But me try to get a job and it no work out.
That
Say me
job.
like become a bird.
Nah, Jaja, shout out to everybody, man. If you going through like employment issues and shit, you know easy, you know. So shout out to you. You know, just keep your faith and keep applying. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not at the age. People want me see appear in different forms and shape. Things happen for a reason, me not really care. Can't believe in the philosophy there, I swear.
Things happen for a reason, man. For real, man. You see me? You get man?
If you want to know, if you surviving on the streets. you have to just do it.
Just do it.
Now they bow if you start the feet. And everything I'm on.
Yeah, man, if you want to survive in the street, just have to just do it. Just survive. Just do your thing. Push through. Go get it. Because there's no books. There's no rules to this thing, man. There's no rules to this thing, guy. You have a book you can't go study. You see, you have to just learn as you go. Easy enough, blood. Please, that match up him thing, man. Blood, look on his steel and black and that gonna turn big construction worker. I hear me. Match up the thing. Blood, cloud, big building. Big contractor. Generator and sick. No, that's a welding. That's a welding kit. I was gonna say generator. Dark ton welder. Alright. Alright, I gotta do hide and practice. Big up yourself, you. Oh no, hide and practice, dog. I do him thing at night time. Street thing, I know if everybody, dog, you have to know your skills and where your thing lie. You see me, I say? And everybody, you have to, supposed to come to gunman and bad man and shit and carry gun my youth. You see, if you have a little one skin and one passion, you see me? Focus on that. You never know where you can turn, to. You see me? Maybe you like work on cars. Maybe you like to record music. Maybe you like to like him. Right? I said I have a skill for welding. Maybe construction. Maybe farming. Maybe you like to work on tech like I do. I like to work on computers and shit. You know what I'm saying? Repair. You see what I'm saying? Maybe you know for landscape. Maybe you see whatever. You see me? Just look at what you like to do. Look at the skills you have. Look at what you like to do and invest in that, man. Now, everybody have to be bad man, dog, to make it in life. You have to sell jokes so you have money, dog. You have to be bad man around people. You have to be a scammer and them thing, dog. You see me? So, dog, right? So, dog, I show you, say, yo. Because you see, in the first part, we get kind of confused. When we see Andy walk out on the dog. You see me, Andy walk out on the dog like him a bad man and look like the dog, I say, yo. Like the dog, I say, yo. If Andy a bull bad him up already, like that I say, this is not for him. You know they pan that. You know they pan the badness thing. You see me? I say, you see that walk away. You go find a different part. Yeah, big up him damn self. You see that turn big well there, you know. Blood clot. Big up yourself, you. Yes, man. Yeah, man. I turn big well there. Big up him damn self. I know people that see you and say, yo, you dog soft or I don't be me soft, bro. You see me and say, don't for all you know, this nigga more serious than the dog where have you gonna go and like him a bad man. You don't even know any dog, hey. I'm terrifying experience, dog. Enough niggas when me think of gangster and bad man, dog. We realize say, yo, them nigga a beat. I mean a bad man for them boy. They not actually do what them a claim them a do. You see me and say, yes man, the big man thing boy. In trouble reach him, I see him run like a bitch. You see me, I say? Big man thing, man. Like some boy out there walk around with screw face like I'm a bad man. And in trouble, them panic, they don't know what to do. You see, act like I sound like a bitch. And I'm like, yo, I think so, I'm going to you. You see me, like a gunshot, boss, here, man, around. Boy, I idiot, man. They only know if you cuss and war them friend. You see me, when a time if you go to war, they don't know what to do. You see me, I say, yeah, them panic, catch flat foot, cool up. You see me, I find out some nigga claim so them do certain things, they don't do it. Like, we actually, hey, but hey, like I said, thank God for the fake people, because they keep us real. You know what I'm saying? Run some boy file them a bait in a real life, man. But anyway, gang, let me don't think. In the comment section, you see me, I say, Lee Sparta, my life. A really dope track. I enjoy that one. What y'all thinking that one? Like it, man. You see me? You know, I say, yo, if you want to know if you survive in the street, you just have to just do it. There's no book to read. There's no book to study for this shit. You just have to just do it. Learn as you go. Learn as you survive. And this is when him say street, you know, doesn't mean like old street. This is like life in general. There's no book or no rules to this thing. You just gotta figure it out as you go, man. You see me, and do what's best for you. Live life how you want it. Don't try to live how you see next man live. You see me, and I try to follow some people. You see me, focus on knowing. You gotta get to know yourself, what you like to do. You see me? I say what you like to do and what you're good at and your skills and you focus on that. And don't watch other people, brother. You see me? I probably have a little one channel so you know if you make your money. Don't watch them people what they so I probably a little 95 or they hustling or whatever they doing. If I so you know if you get your bread, get your bread. You see me? I say yes, man. I mean I used to go through that. You know what I'm saying? Like I know how to trade and I know how to do like. I got my social media, my platform, getting bread through that, and then two people, our family don't understand how you get your thing. You probably look like you want don't you ain't got shit to prove to nobody. Get your shit the way you get your shit. You see me? Your part probably even way better than there, cause you know what I'm saying. You don't even know. You look down upon your thing. I probably say you want. You see me? I say yeah, man, big man thing, guys. So, but anyway. Let me know anything in the comment section. You see me and say gang. If I like the show the artist on the one support, you see me make you know start the dancing. You see me and say gang. Yeah, we love chat. By the way, hit the like and subscribe button. Hype up the video. Hype up the video. Not only you gotta like now, you gotta hype the video as well to go viral, guys. So hype up the video, help your boy out. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.